Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to disable running apps when Google Chrome is closed. Google Chrome is a cross-platform web browser developed by Google. It was first released in 2008 for Microsoft Windows, built with free software components from Apple WebKit and Mozilla Firefox. It was later ported to Linux, macOS, iOS, and Android, where it is the default browser. The browser is also the main component of Chrome OS, where it serves as the platform for web applications. Most of Chrome's source code comes from Google's free and open source software project Chromium, but Chrome is licensed as proprietary freeware. WebKit was the original rendering engine, but Google eventually forked it to create the Blink engine. All Chrome variants except iOS now use Blink. As of October 2021, StatCounter estimates that Chrome has a 68% worldwide browser market share, after peaking at 72.38% in November 2018. On personal computers, PC is most used on tablets, having surpassed Safari, and is also dominant on smartphones, and at 65% across all platforms combined. Because of this success, Google has expanded the Chrome brand name to other products: Chrome OS, Chromecast, Chromebook, Chromebit, Chromebox, and Chromebase. This is how you can do it. Search for Google Chrome on your PC and click on it. Look on your top right-hand corner to find three little buttons and click on it. Next, locate where it's written Settings and click on it. Now search where it's written Advanced and click on it. Then click on System. All you have to do is to disable this button, and then no more background apps should run whenever you close Google Chrome. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.